To create an exam assignment, click Manage Exams. Then select Assign a Comprehensive Exam. Click Continue. Then name the assignment and assign it to one or more classes. You have the option to turn on the simulated automatic exam shutoff by selecting Yes. This option will stop the exam automatically for each student after a minimum of 75 questions or 85 for PN. Once the program has collected enough performance data to determine if the individual student consistently demonstrated the ability or inability to meet or exceed the minimum NCLEX proficiency threshold on the exam. Please note, if you turn on the simulated automatic exam shutoff, students will not receive a pop-up message to still continue like they do in a practice exam. This is a comprehensive exam and will automatically end if this feature is turned on. Once it is on, the number of questions indicator displays 265 or 205 for PN, and the time limit is set to 6 hours or 5 hours for PN, and they cannot be changed. This is because the shutoff feature is designed to mimic the NCLEX exam and its maximum number of questions. You can set the question point value and its availability date and its due date. If you select to assign this assignment to more than one class, then two options will appear. You can either keep the assignment available on and due on dates and times the same for each class, or change those dates and times for some or all of the classes. It will default to keeping the dates and times the same for all classes. If you want to customize the dates and times for each class, then select the first option, and you will be able to make these changes. Here you can change the threshold for this assignment only. So you can either hide the minimum NCLEX proficiency threshold or customize the threshold marker for the individual assignment you are creating. You can also change the bookmarking setting for this assignment only. This feature allows students to bookmark questions during this exam or on the answer key to store and study later. Once you have set up the exam, click Assign, and then you'll see a page confirming the assignment.